Deep in the forests of India and Southeast Asia, there's a secret world waiting to be discovered. In the branches of certain trees, a tiny creature, the lac bug, makes its home, living a life largely unseen by human eyes. Don't let its size fool you. This little insect is a great builder and a special gift giver, contributing significantly to its ecosystem. The lac bug is nature's own resin factory, making a valuable material called lac, which has been used by humans for centuries. These forests are full of life, and the lac bug plays an important role in maintaining this vibrant ecosystem. They work together with the trees, taking food and giving something back, creating a delicate balance in nature. This sharing makes something amazing happen. A true testament to the wonders of nature. From this teamwork comes a material used in many ways, from traditional crafts to modern applications. Lac is a natural resin, made by the lac bug as a protective shell, and it has fascinated people for generations. This resin has fascinated people for a long time, and we use it in many different ways, from varnishes to dyes. From old crafts to new inventions, lac is useful and important, bridging the gap between tradition and innovation. Let's explore the amazing world of the lac bug and discover the secrets of its special gift, a journey into nature's ingenuity. The lac bug, also known as Kerria lacca, is a small insect with scales that play a crucial role in the ecosystem. It's a type of scale insect. These insects are interesting, with a special life cycle that captivates scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. The female lac bug stays in one place almost her whole life, sticking to the branches of trees, where she finds her food and shelter. After she attaches to a branch, she starts making the resin we call lac, which has been used by humans for centuries. This resin forms a protective cover around her, keeping her and her eggs safe from danger and bad weather, ensuring the survival of her offspring. The male lac bug is smaller, has wings, and doesn't live as long. His life is short but vital for the continuation of the species. His main job is to fertilize the female's eggs, ensuring the next generation of lac bugs. The way the resin is made is fascinating, involving a complex biological process. The lac bug drinks the tree's sap for food, which is essential for its survival and resin production. As it digests the sap, it turns it into the sticky resin that makes its shell, a process that is both intricate and efficient. This resin hardens in the air, making a tough cover that protects the bug from predators and environmental hazards. This amazing ability makes the lac bug special, showcasing the wonders of nature's ingenuity. It shows how wonderful nature is and how everything works together in harmony, creating a balanced ecosystem. The lac bug's ability to turn tree sap into something useful is a natural wonder, highlighting the intricate relationships within the environment. Collecting lac resin is done carefully, often by hand. Workers gently scrape the resin, called stick lac, from the tree branches. This takes skill so they don't hurt the trees. After it's collected, the stick lac goes through several steps. It's crushed and washed to remove dirt, bugs, and bark. The clean lac is then dried and sorted by quality and color. This raw lac, called seed lac, is then prepared for different uses. Sometimes the seed lac is melted and filtered to make it even cleaner. The melted lac can be made into flakes, buttons, or sheets. This processed lac is called shellac, a common form of lac used in many products. From collecting to processing, the whole process shows the hard work and skill of the people in the lac industry. It takes a lot of work, but it makes a useful and versatile product. Lac is incredibly useful. For hundreds of years, it has been important in different industries, used in many products. One of its most famous uses is in making shellac, a natural resin used on wood as a varnish and a sealant. Besides wood finishes, lac is also used in food. It makes candies and fruits shiny and keeps them fresh. It also coats pills, protecting them and controlling how the medicine is released. Lac is used in even more ways. It's in cosmetics and personal care products, adding color and shine to nail polish and lipstick. It's sticky, so it's used in inks, printing inks, and even electrical insulation. Lac is special in traditional arts and crafts. It's the main ingredient in beautiful lacquerware, a tradition for centuries in many parts of Asia. The bright colors and detailed designs of lacquerware show the artistic skill and how useful lac is. Making lac isn't just about a special product, it's also about protecting nature and maintaining ecological balance. The process of lac production intertwines deeply with environmental conservation. Growing lac is beneficial for the environment, aiding in the preservation of forests and supporting the livelihoods of the people who reside there. It promotes sustainable agricultural practices. The cultivation of lac supports the growth of host trees, many of which are legumes essential for the ecosystem. These leguminous trees fix nitrogen in the soil, enhancing its fertility and promoting a diverse and healthy forest ecosystem that supports various plant and animal species. Additionally, growing lac provides a significant source of income for rural communities who collect and process it using traditional methods. Lac plays a crucial role in the economy, particularly in India, which stands as one of the largest producers of this valuable resource. The LAC industry generates employment for millions, fostering economic growth and development in rural areas and providing artisanal work opportunities. Exporting lac and its products to international markets brings in significant revenue, contributing to the national economy. The production of lac exemplifies how we can utilize natural resources sustainably, ensuring that we do not harm the environment. This practice benefits both people and the planet, fostering a harmonious relationship between humans and nature. By supporting the lac industry, we help preserve traditional craftsmanship, protect vital forest ecosystems, and uplift local communities, ensuring a sustainable future for all. And like many natural resources, the future of lac depends on us taking care of it and using it wisely. It's important to balance using lac and making sure the industry and the environment stay healthy. Using sustainable harvesting methods is very important. This means not taking too much lac, which can hurt the trees, and protecting the lac bugs and their homes. Teaching farmers and harvesters about sustainable practices is crucial. Research and new ideas are important to solve problems in the lac industry. Developing lac bugs that don't get sick easily, getting more resin, and finding new uses for lac can make the industry stronger. It's also important for people who buy things to know about LAC. By choosing products made with sustainably sourced lac, we can support good practices. Choosing natural materials like lac over man-made ones is important for a healthier future. The journey of lac, from a tiny bug in a forest to a valuable resource used everywhere, shows how amazing nature is. It's a story of how nature works together, human cleverness, and the importance of taking care of our planet. The lac bug, which can turn tree sap into a useful resin, teaches us about sustainability. Making lac creates jobs, protects forests, and gives us a natural option instead of many man-made products. It's our job to protect this old industry. By using sustainable practices, supporting research, and making good choices about what we buy, we can make sure lac is around for a long time. The story of lac shows us that even the smallest creatures can make a big difference, and we need to learn from them and protect the natural treasures of our planet.